technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
We're moving on now. The anti-graft bill that mandates ministers, including the Prime Minister, to step down if jailed for over 30 days has triggered a political storm. A JPC meeting on the bill is expected in the coming weeks, but confusion persists within the INDI alliance over a possible JPC boycott. While Congress has yet to decide, the Aam Aadmi Party, Shiv Sena and Trinamool Congress have announced they will skip the meeting, calling the JPC a farce and alleging the bill is aimed at destabilizing state governments. As for Congress, the party is yet to take an official stand. Sources tell Times Now a decision on the JPC will come only after Rahul Gandhi's voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar, which with consultations planned with other INDI bloc partners before the final call is taken. The INDI bloc appears divided on JPC boycott. Samajwadi Party says the government has turned the panel into a mockery, signaling support for a boycott. CPIM MP Santosh Kumar pointed out that while the alliance had agreed to skip the meeting, some parties now seem to be shifting their stance. Meanwhile, Congress MP Imran Masood said the party is yet to decide, adding that the anti-graft bill could even be used against the sector.
वो केवल जो विपक्ष के मुख्यमंत्री हैं या जो मंत्री होंगे उनको गिरफ्तार करके उनकी पार्टियों को तोड़ेंगे, उनकी सरकारों को गिराएंगे। अगर इस तरह का कानून आप बनाएंगे तो आपके ऊपर भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है ये। तो ये पूरी तरीके से गैर संवैधानिक है और ऐसा काम मत करिए जिसके अंदर इतिहास के अंदर आपको लोग इस तरह से याद करें कि आपने देश के अंदर क्या किया।
लेकिन सर, जेपीसी जो फॉर्म की जा रही है उसमें कई इंडिया ब्लॉक पार्टीज हैं जो बॉयकॉट कर रही हैं। टीएमसी, समाजवादी पार्टी, शिवसेना, सब लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि इस तरीके के बिल को लेकर हम लोग इसके विरोध में हैं, इसलिए हम जेपीसी में हिस्सा नहीं लेंगे। दूसरी तरफ कुछ पार्टियों का ये कहना है कि अगर हम हिस्सा नहीं लेंगे तो हमारी आवाज जो है वो जनता तक नहीं पहुंच पाएगी। आपकी इस पे क्या राय है?
देखिए, मैं तो पार्टी के साथ बना, जो पार्टी का निर्णय होगा हम पार्टी के साथ रहेंगे।
जेपीसी को भी सरकार ने मजाक बना दिया। पिछली बार जो जेपीसी बनी थी उसमें जगदम्बिका पाल जी के नेतृत्व में जिस तरह का एक तरफा सदन की तरह बहस और एक दूसरे को नहीं सुनना, मनमर्जी करने की जो खबरें आई थी, उससे जेपीसी पे भी सवाल उठ गया था। मूल बात यह है कि ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार पॉलिटिकल टारगेटिंग के आधार पर सरकार क्यों चलाना चाहती है, जो संविधान और देश और कानून के हिसाब से ठीक नहीं है।
In this BJP government time, I mean, especially during the last one decade, almost all parliamentary institutions and forums like JPC lost its importance. It's all one-sided. For example, take the case of Waqf JPC. It was a demand from our side also, but they did not pay attention to the voices of the opposition parties. So what is the point in taking part in the JPC? This is a crucial question. And the government just want to make it an eyewash tactics. So we should not be party to government's this kind of dirty tactics.
Niyamika is joining us in the broadcast with more details. There seems to be some confusion because while others have taken a clear stand, they want to boycott JPC, Congress has still not disclosed what its final call is going to be.
Well, yes, indeed, the Congress party is still unclear about its decision whether it is going to boycott the JPC or they are going to participate, as we have spoken to several of the leaders within the Congress party, and the sources within the Congress have also told Times Now exclusively that it is most likely that the decision will be taken after the voter Adhikar Yatra's completion, as Rahul Gandhi is currently busy with this Yatra, and that is the only reason why the Congress party is still waiting, because they are also going to consult several of the other India bloc parties as well. As we have seen that on one side it is the TMC, Samajwadi Party, UBT, Sena, as well as Aam Aadmi Party, who have made their stand very clear that they are not going to participate in the JPC, because this is what they are saying is a fast decision which is being taken by the government of India. They are not going to have any kind of discussion regarding these bills, and they are basically saying that for this bill to be passed within the parliament, the government also needs two-third majority, and that is the only reason why they are saying that let it come to the parliament, let it be discussed there only. We are not going to participate in the JPC meeting, because during the time the Waqf Amendment bill was also being tabled, at that point in time also we were not being heard. But on the other side there is another side which is also coming in, as other parties like RSP or CPM are basically saying that if we are not going to participate in the JPC, then the opposition's voice will not be listened by the people of this country. We are not going to register our dissent.
So some want to register their dissent, some want to take part, some do not. They've taken a very clear stand, whereas the Congress party says we'll take a decision after the voter Adhikar Yatra. Thank you very much, Niyamika.